guys, welcome back to Hanny's channel. Today I'm going to be making keto-friendly egg muffins. So, please enjoy! Okay guys, first step, we will need to preheat the oven for 375. So here is the ingredients I will be using for my egg muffins: baby spinach, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, some Fiesta blend cheese, and some eggs. In a bowl, I am going to be cracking 6 eggs. Put in any seasoning you would like to. I'm going to just put some garlic powder, onion powder, some salt, and pepper. Now whisk that until well beaten. After you are done whisking, you need to spray your muffin pan with any spray you would like. Then on my muffins, I'm going to be putting on some spinach on the bottom. But the other muffins I won't, because my husband does not like spinach. Then I'm going to put cheese in all of them. Pour the egg mixture until halfway full on the muffin pan. great for our on-the-go breakfast or just a snack. Now I'm going to be mixing like 2 more eggs to fill the rest of the pan. So in all, you will need 8 eggs instead of 6. So I just spreaded the eggs so it's all equal, and now I'm going to be putting it in the oven for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer them over to this pan because I can close it and put it and store it into my refrigerator. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.